Beep, beep, beep. Your alarm blares, shattering the silence of your cozy room. You open your eyes, morning again, and you've got just 10 minutes to get out the door, even though your bed feels extra comfy today. The rush is real. Get dressed, find your keys, and try not to trip over yesterday's shoes on the way. Maybe feed your pet rock, or at least remember to water your tiny desk plant. Mornings can feel like a race, but in the chaos you catch your reflection in the mirror for a split second. You want to look awake, fresh, and put together, even if you're running on fumes and your eyes are still half closed. But who has time for a full makeup routine when you're already late? We need something fast and easy. Something that works even when you're multitasking with breakfast in the other hand. Imagine looking amazing in less time than it takes to pick a playlist or scroll through your notifications. It's possible. A 5-minute routine for a fresh, flawless look even on your busiest days. That's right. Just 5 minutes to go from sleepy to stunning. No magic wand required. With the right plan, you can glow up in a flash and feel ready to take on anything. Say goodbye to stressful mornings and hello to easy, breezy beauty that fits your real life. This is for busy bees, snooze button lovers, and anyone who wants to look good without the hassle. And for anyone craving a confidence boost before they step out the door. Let's master speedy morning makeup that makes you feel like a superstar, even on a Monday. Looking good should be fun and fast, not a chore, and definitely not stressful. Ready to change your mornings forever and start each day with a smile? Let's get this beauty party started, because you deserve to shine no matter how busy you are. You're about to look flawless in a flash. Let's go. I know what you're thinking. 5 minutes for a full face sounds impossible, but trust me, it's totally doable. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about enhancing your natural beauty and feeling more awake and polished. Think of it as a real-life filter, a little makeup, a big confidence boost. The secret? Simplicity. We're not aiming for red carpet glam, just a refreshed, happy look. Focus on a few key steps for maximum impact. You'll be amazed at what you can do in 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes and I'll give you a routine that makes you feel amazing. Ready to become a 5-minute makeup master? Let's assemble your makeup superheroes. Every 5-minute makeup artist needs a simple toolkit, no giant makeup bag required. Here's your starter pack: BB cream or tinted moisturizer, concealer, cream blush, mascara, brow gel or pencil, and tinted lip balm. BB or CC cream evens your skin and often includes SPF. Concealer brightens under eyes and covers blemishes. Cream blush adds a healthy glow. Just tap it on with your fingers. Mascara opens up your eyes instantly. Brow gel or pencil shapes and defines. Tinted lip balm adds color and moisture. No mirror needed. These 6 essentials are your secret weapons for a fast, flawless look. Simple, effective, and perfect for busy mornings. The clock is ticking. Let's do this. Whether you're running late or just want to simplify your morning, this routine is your new best friend. Start with a clean, moisturized face. Bonus if your moisturizer has SPF. This gives you a smooth, protected canvas for everything that follows. Minute 1. Apply BB cream or tinted moisturizer with your fingers for quick, even coverage. Using your hands helps the product melt into your skin for a natural finish. Dab concealer under your eyes and on blemishes. Tap to blend. This step brightens and covers, making you look instantly more awake. Minute 2. Groom brows with gel or pencil. Just a few strokes for natural definition. Well-shaped brows frame your face and pull your look together. Swipe on mascara to open up your eyes. Even a single coat can make your lashes look fuller and your eyes more awake. Minute 3. Smile and tap cream blush onto the apples of your cheeks, blending upward. This adds a healthy, natural flush and lifts your whole face. Minute 4. Swipe on tinted lip balm or gloss for a hint of color and hydration. It's the quickest way to look put together and feel refreshed. That's it. No brushes, no fuss. Everything is done with your fingertips, making cleanup a breeze. Each step is designed for speed and impact, so you get maximum results in minimum time. You'll look fresh, awake, and ready to take on the day, no matter what's on your schedule. Practice makes perfect. Soon, you'll be a 5-minute pro. The more you do it, the faster and more confident you'll become. Remember, it's about feeling good, not perfection. Your routine should make you feel empowered and ready. Adjust steps to fit your needs and style. Swap products, skip steps, or add your own twist. Make it yours. The goal: confidence in a flash. You've got this. Let your personality shine through. Now go rock your day. Flawless in 5, mission accomplished. You're ready for anything. Want to get even faster? Try these speed hacks. Use multi-use products, lipstick as blush or a shimmery eyeshadow stick as both shadow and highlighter. Focus on your power steps, the 1 or 2 things that make you feel most confident. You don't have to do every step every day. Keep your essentials in one small bag for easy access. Being organized saves precious seconds. You can even do your makeup on the go, safely of course. The key: simplify, prioritize, and personalize. Speedy routines are all about what works for you. Make mornings stress-free and stylish. This routine is designed to work for everyone. Just remember to pick products that suit your unique skin type and personal preferences. Everyone's skin is different, so it's important to listen to what yours needs. If you have oily skin, choose oil-free or matte formulas and set your look with a bit of powder to control shine throughout the day. Blotting papers can also help keep your skin fresh. For dry skin, reach for hydrating, luminous products and creamy formulas that add moisture and a healthy glow. Don't forget to prep with a good moisturizer first. Use a hydrating setting spray for extra glow and to help your makeup last longer, especially if your skin feels tight or dull. When choosing foundation and concealer, always test shades on your jawline for the most natural match. This helps you avoid harsh lines and ensures a seamless blend. Don't be afraid to ask for help at the store. There's a perfect shade for everyone, and beauty experts can guide you to your best match. For blush and lips, experiment with different shades. Pick colors that make you happy and express your personality. Rich berries and corals look stunning on deeper skin, while soft pinks and peaches flatter fair tones beautifully. But don't be afraid to try something new. Ultimately, the best color is always the one you love and feel great wearing. Remember, makeup has no rules. Wear what makes you feel confident, creative, and uniquely you. You did it! You've mastered the 5-minute face. Now you have extra time for yourself. Dance, meditate, or enjoy breakfast. You've taken control of your mornings. This routine isn't about hiding, it's about celebrating you. Makeup is self-expression, a little act of kindness to yourself. You deserve to feel confident with or without makeup. The most beautiful thing you can wear is your confidence. When you feel good outside, you shine inside. Play with colors. Make the routine your own. The goal isn't perfection, it's feeling great. You're not just flawless, you're uniquely you. Go out there and have an amazing day. And yes, you look fantastic.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.